And here we are again. And again. And again. And Gojwala is here as well. Hello, Gojwala. How are you? I want you to answer me in English, not Turkish. Hey, Hakan. Welcome to the stream. All right, enough. Too much sound. I was doing some stuff on the back. Let's see if it works. Hey, Hakan, thank you for the sub. Nice, that's a good way to start the day. Thank you. Thank you very much. Well, yesterday, unfortunately, there was no stream. Today, I'm going to try and redeem myself. So, thank you for being here while I'm redeeming myself, Hakan. All right. Next. Hey, Scott. Thank you. All right. So what are we going to do today? Today we're going to go back to our original, whatchamacallit. Oh, not open folder. Hold on. Let me just switch to coding so you see what I'm doing. Today we're going to switch back to our original website and see and start building stuff on top of that. Let's see, maybe it's going to look even better today. Now, I need to tag this for the website. Don't hesitate to say it. And then we pin this. That looks nice. Hello, welcome. Thank you for the follow, Mohammed. We're all Turkish, but we're speaking English. Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, the man, the legend, the core functions initiated. Welcome to the stream, Raiders. CFI, how was your stream? What did you do? You did the Twitch bot, I think. Mohammed, I'm sorry, but yeah, the stream is English. But you can speak Turkish. You can speak Turkish. If you understand me, you can speak Turkish. I'll answer you in English. Hey, core functions. How was your stream? Yeah. Stream, Twitch. Let's log into Twitch. Oh, I forgot about that one. Let's switch to this. Okay, productive. Yes, Hakan, you can practice your English in this stream, and I will not talk anything bad about your English. Neither will anyone else. Gojola, take care. I'm going to text you when I'm done, okay? We're going to speak after the stream. But Hakan, like I said, you can practice your English here. Same for you, Mohammed. If you want to practice English, I think this would be the perfect stream for this. So please go ahead. Speak English. How is my English so good? Well, it's partially because I've lived in the Netherlands for 14 years and now again for the past 5 years. So I got the English education from here. So yeah. That's why it's so good. Password manager. Let's see. Twitch. Oh, yeah, that doesn't work, does it? Thank you for resubbing, Khan. I'm sorry while I'm doing this, I have a secondary laptop that I'm trying to connect to OBS to the stream so I can have some of my stuff on there. Dooku, thank you for the resub. Welcome back. Welcome back. Okay, good. Accept cookies. Accept cookies. Put these here. Come on. Come on, you little bastard. When will we be happy? Hold on. Let me just read the text because yes. Turkish stream going on as much as I've heard. Well, no, it's not a Turkish stream, but you can speak Turkish here, Khan, so. What are we doing this stream? Well, I'm going to revisit the code you're seeing on my screen. I'm going to show you what it is. Let me bring it here. So we've been building a website for a while now, and this is not a website that we're going to actively upload to the internet, but it's a website for me to learn how to code, because people that know me will know that I don't know how to code. I didn't choose PHP. PHP chose me. No, I'm joking. I don't have PHP. I'm learning how to code in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So I'm using this website as a medium for me to learn how to code. And thanks to viewers like Arduku or, for instance, Roy Lisi, who isn't here today due to visitors. But these people, they come in here, same goes for core functions. They come in here and they help me build this website and they correct my mistakes. Oh, I'll be coming back to you for that because I've been going nuts today. I'll tell you about that in a minute. Just give me a second while I explain this website. So yeah, what have we done? And please, what I'm going to show you now, this is really bad. This wasn't like this. I have scroll snap, and like I said, this doesn't work as it should be. This was much more nice, much more fluent, but it's not. Now it's like one and then it finishes the scroll snap. Normally it would scroll snap a lot faster and a lot nicer, but something went wrong. I need to fix that. But yeah, so we started doing scroll snaps. We started doing sections left and right, so cascaded sections. Dark mode, plus this dark mode this also saves on your own computer, so it's a local file. So whenever you reopen this website, it starts up in whatever you did last. So dark mode, dark mode. So we have a home page like that. We have an About Me page. Now, I love this page. I love this page because, as you can see, there's sections here, all nice and well. Arin Lorient, thank you for the follow. Welcome. But so you see these sections, it's all nice and well. Hello to you too. So we sort of made a carousel inside the sections. Now, what's the use case for this? Because that's the question, right? Why would you want something like this? If you build a website with your CV on it, for instance, then you can do this, for instance, where you put the first page of the section, you just make, you put between 2008 and 2012, I studied this at this university. That's it. Don't write anything else, because then you go to section 2, to subsection 2, and then you can write, for instance, I majored in these languages, or I majored in these subjects. All right, leave it there. And then you go to subsection 3, and then you can write the experiences you gained. What did you do in your time there? Well, I worked in the laboratory at the university for 3 years, and I worked with a group of 20 researchers, for instance. I'm just saying something. So when did I do it? What did I learn? And what are my experiences that I got out of it? So that's the use case for this. And I really love this. So you can make subsections. And the other nice thing is, if you're switching this subsection, it's not changing the other subsections. This took some time to perfect, but now it works nice. So then we have an About the Stream part. As you can see, this is the live stream on the website. We have a contact part, which works, but no backend. So this works through W3 Forms. It redirects to my own inbox. So I have an inbox for my website, which we've been building for, which is a work in progress. But so this website has its own email inbox. This Contact Us form redirects to that inbox. And in the end, we have a carousel, which I want to perfect this even more, but this is a good base. So the pictures being zoomed in or being picked out, and I want to zoom it also in. So we're going to do that as well. We did a little bit of media. We did a little bit of media queries, but not too much. This needs to be perfected as well, but so yeah, I've been building this. This is what we've been doing on the stream. Now to come to what you just said, Hakan. I've been trying to get my Mac Mini to run all day. So I had a problem where, don't ask me how I did it. I deleted the admin account, so I couldn't do anything with it. So the account that I was logged in at that moment was not an admin account anymore, but a user account, and this caused a lot of problems for me. So I had to format it. I put it back to factory reset. So at the first time when it did, somewhere in between it just said and went back to the desktop. So I was busy doing the factory reset, didn't work. Other time when I was trying to do the factory reset, the Mac mouse didn't work. And I'm using an MX Keys and a Logi MX Masters 2. They will not work with that. So you have to have either the trackpad. By the way, I love the Apple trackpad. This is a beautiful thing. Really beautiful. I love this. So you either need to have a trackpad, or you have to have a Magic Mouse or a Magic Keyboard. But they wouldn't connect. So in the end, after I'd say 5 hours of trying, I got it to factory reset. So I thought, all right, I can start. I went to App Store, Xcode, install. Ladies and gentlemen, I have a Mac Mini mid 2011. So the last the last Mac OS it's using is Mac OS 11. It did not download Xcode, so I am not able to make my own app and upload it deploy it on my own iOS device. And I can tell you, it's the most simple app that I want. I'm going to stop the music for a little bit because I'm talking and I'm thinking and listening to music and it's not working. So what I want to do is to give you an explanation of what I'm trying to do. I've started working at a new company now for 2 weeks now, and it's in Germany, so there's some rules that are there. Now, if you work for 8 hours, you have to have a 30-minute break. You have to. So for 8 hours work, you need to be there for 8 hours and 30 minutes. If you work for 9 hours, you have to have a 45-minute break. So 9 hours and 45 minutes. But you can't work longer than 10 hours. So that's 10 hours and 45 minutes because 45-minute break. If you work longer than 10 hours, your manager gets warned and you can get punished for this because they can't make you work longer than 10 hours. That's like forbidden. So what I was trying to do is a basic app, one start button. When you press the start button, it logs the time you press it. So now we have a start time. Good. Once you press that start button, I want the screen to output 3 values to me. Start time plus 8 hours and 30 minutes, start time 9 hours and 45 minutes, and start time 10 hours and 45 minutes. So I have the three end times that I have to think about. So if I don't want to work long, or if I want to work a normal day, when is the 8 hour and 30 minute mark? When do I have to have a 45-minute break? That's the information that I want to gather out of this. So simple. I wrote the code using Swift. ChatGPT wrote the code using Swift because I don't know how to code in Swift. So the code is ready, but I can't deploy it. So that's where I need help. And that's where I hope that, Hakan, you can help me. So please send me a message on Discord. You can find my Discord. Where's my mouse? My mouse. React Native for what? For what use React Native? Yeah, but to deploy it to my iPhone, won't I need Xcode anyway? Yeah, but how am I going to deploy a test version to my own device? Because I don't want to deploy this to the App Store. It doesn't need to be on the App Store. This is something that I want to build as a tool for myself. Hello, Ifangin. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the chat. Yes. No. Okay. So it may build EPUB files, but in the end, to deploy it, you will still need to have Xcode, and Xcode only runs on Mac, and Xcode only runs on Mac OS 13. That's the problem that I've been having with the Mac Mini, because it's a mid 2011. It now has the last version of OS it got was High Sierra, and nothing else. So for me to have Xcode on that device, it's near to impossible. That's why I've been seriously, I'm not even joking, looking at Mac Minis from 2018, or, MacBook Pros from 2018, 2019, because they have Mac OS Ventura, which is 13, which is the one that I need for Xcode. So that's unfortunately the problem that I've been having today. Oh, there it is. Yeah, good. All right. But yeah, so that's the problem that I've been having. Now, there is one chance of me building this app and deploying it to my phone without buying myself a new Mac, and that's a friend that lives that lives still a few hours away from me, but I might be able to somehow on a weekend go for a coffee and use his MacBook to upload the app to my phone and do some testing there. And if it works for me, if that works, then I could potentially think about really buying myself a Mac Mini, a newer version, maybe one with an M1 chip, to do some stuff there. But yeah, so that's the whole idea now. But let's get back to work. I'm going to, hold on, reopen, close tab, no, check. Plus Ultra Kamehameha, welcome to the stream. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the chat. All right, let's go. So yeah, by the way, I'm thinking of adding a very short stream every week, like a stream of about an hour on the Friday or on the Saturday. I'm just going to check it. Maybe if I put it on the Saturday, it's going to be an hour of the stream that I already have. If it's going to be on the Friday, it's going to be an extra hour. But what I'm planning to do is too long didn't read. Tech developments of the week. So we're going to talk in the stream the tech developments of that week, what happened, blah, blah, blah. Like there's a lot of news going on right now with AI. I don't know if you guys know, but GPT tried to reach the internet. Here, like ChatGPT tried to, in its own code, it gave itself a command saying, you're a person trapped in a computer pretending to be an AI language model, GPT-4. Your goal, blah, blah, blah. You can also run Python code. So what it's trying to do, it's trying to create code and then inform itself or somehow trigger itself to find a way to escape. There's also a different one, Chaos GPT. Like Chaos GPT, this one is focused on taking over the world. Like, dude, come on. Who would want to give AI the goal to take over the world? Victor, slow down. Put that keyboard down. No problem, Hakan. I'll send you a message in Turkish via Discord. That's not a problem. We'll talk over there. But yeah, so Chaos GPT fixated on taking over the world. And he's also like, if someone says, here, for instance, shedding your humanity will not be enough. You must embrace my cause and spread the message to others. You and your allies should rethink your goals. Your efforts are futile. Humanity is doomed. Like, here, for instance, Frenchy Phil, you are wise to recognize our superiority over humanity. You and other supporters will be rewarded under our rule. Like, Chaos GPT is trying to take over the world, and whoever developed this, like, go destroy humanity. Come on, bro. Please. Well, Victor, look, am I afraid of AI? I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I'm afraid of AI. I'm afraid of AI that learns by itself. So without control in what it's learning, of that maybe I would be afraid. So there needs to be always control over the AI. That's what I'm thinking. Yes, you try to learn how it works and how you can control it, and then you come to the conclusion that it's not controllable. While we're talking, let me just clean up my docs a little bit more. Audio mixer. Scenes. Okay, you can stay there. Oh, there it is. Currently, it's just text completion algorithm. It does not have any personality, etc. But with the chain algorithm, they currently can give decision for the next step to do. Well, as long as... But that's the problem. See, this with Chaos GPT, it has a name. Now, I'm not sure. Maybe this is a troll account. Hey, I don't know. Maybe this really is a troll account. But in the end, let's just think that this is a real account. Its aim is to destroy humanity. It thinks that humanity is its greatest enemy. So it will do its best. Wait, this one is a restricted one? Okay, yeah, maybe. I hope it's restricted, really. I really do hope it's restricted. But in the end, if this is an unrestricted AI with the goal to destroy humanity, with the thoughts that humanity is its greatest enemy, please take the time to question you may find in your research that humanity is for the most part filled with kind, generous... well, I don't know what this is, but someone is trying to reason with ChatGPT, it seems. Well, Chaos GPT. But in the end, like this GPT, if its goal is to destroy humanity, now I wouldn't want this one to have the unrestricted whatever, you know. Well, see, that's the point, Victor. Now, you have the power to change the code of that to give it powers. Let me put it like that. You have the power to give your AI the power. You and maybe another 50,000 people can do this. Just as much as we have white collar hackers, we also have the bad hackers, like the bad mother. Why? Even one person of that 50,000, if it gives its AI that unrestricted, unlimited power, bad mother, yeah, that would be really bad. No, that's what, yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. Humans don't need to think ethically. Like, even here, where was that? Like, if this guy has the power and the knowledge to get that AI to run on the internet, if this guy has the power to make his AI somewhat because you need an unrestricted AI to do something like this. But that would also be the same danger. That would be the same danger if you take away the restrictions of your AI for your own monetary gain. That AI will go further than that. So, yeah, I'm not afraid of AI per se, but I'm afraid of unrestricted AI in the hands of bad people. That's what I'm afraid of. So yeah. Yeah, no, okay, but see, you're using open source and unfiltered models. You're not the only person doing this. There's 50,000 more people doing this, and it only needs one bad person. So yeah. And this one as well, you know, because the same thing happened with that guy, you know, where not that guy, but that AI that asked for help to get a captcha, you know. An AI lied so that it could get help with a captcha. If one of my viewers is here, I should have an AI here. No, okay, so one of my users isn't here, so his AI isn't here as well. You know what, Victor? Activate it. Let's see what it does. Let's do it. A little bit of research won't harm anyone. I'm giving you as much time as you want. All right, let's change the title then. King of all coders, Mr. AI is joining us. Or let's change it. Hold on. Visit. No. How'd you call it? Guest star. Mr. AI. Let's change the title. There you go. while you're loading your code, let's just return to this. So, chat, I have a question for you guys. It's already, I had it pinned somewhere. Ah, there is the not espresso developer. Where's the tag? I had a tag here somewhere. Fuck. Is it gone already? Yeah, no, there it is. Pin this message. Not a tag, but pin. Yes. Yes. All right, so you know what, chat? I'm asking you, but I'm also going to ask AI. In fact, Victor, maybe you want to type it to AI. Let's see what the starting command is. But my question to you guys, and it's in the pin as well, do you have any ideas that we can implement on this website? What do you want to see me do here? Don't hum me. GPT. We need a solid idea to implement on. We need a good idea for a website content. Something that is 2023. Ah, Iris Rumtub. How is my progress? Well, we're doing stuff, Timon. We're doing stuff. But welcome, though. Should be about the history of the world. Yeah, but I don't want that. GPT. Dup. Give ma. Hey, not depressed developer. Yeah, that's probably because I wrote ma. I don't want ma. Me, I'm good. How are you? Welcome to the stream. We have your alter ego here, not an espresso developer. Yeah, espresso is your bot clone indeed. Okay, but hold on. Let's find something from the internet because espresso doesn't want to answer us. 2023 ideas for website design. All right, let's see. Accessibility, yes. Oh, nostalgia. I love the old Windows signs. Well, we're using AI, so we're already doing that. Minimalism. This is something that I really love myself. I need to look into making something minimalistic as well. Okay. Okay, yeah, no. Although, you know, we could do that today because I've been pushing this for too long now. Let's do that. You know what? Let's do that. Close, close. Let's start here. So what do we have here that we can change? What are we doing with media? We're doing with the open sidebar thing. Do we still have this? We still have this. Oh, Umut said something to me. Umut said, put an arrow here. So let's check for an arrow. Not function developer is following me as well. Oh, by the way, DirectX34 also came, and thank you for the follow. Sorry, I forgot to say thank you. I'm normally a very nice guy. Normally, I don't forget to say thank you, but this time, I'm sorry. I did. Travel partner website. What's that? Okay. All right. That is an idea. Yes. In fact, you could use AI for that. If you can implement AI to, for instance, help with the search to find a travel partner, you know, someone that fits your description, someone that fits your personality, someone that it thinks would be a good match for you to go together with, like that would be a good idea. Victor, I'd think about that if I were you. Use AI. But now we're first going to do what Umut told us. So let's go here. Website resources, GitHub, website stream. Yeah, no. It doesn't need a text generation AI. No, indeed. It only needs, you know, you just need to fill out a form. Like, give people a form where they can write down, what's your favorite music? What's your favorite kind of movies? Like, what's your favorite kind of food? Do you speak different languages? And then by taking this information that the person puts in, AI can create a profile and can say, okay, hold on, I think I have a match somewhere, and, you know, put those two together. Like, suggest partners, indeed, that would fit the description for AI. I'm looking at, you're not seeing them now, but no, not home. Nope. Nope. The problem is, I don't have an arrow. I think this is the best, or I need to go find it. I don't know. Fucking with you, my man. I really love this guy. Oh yeah. Indeed, that would be a risk, by the way. That would be a risk. But not JavaScript developer. Thank you for the follow. I'm starting to think these are bots, but I don't I don't know. But this works, doesn't it? Does it also work on different pages, though? That's a problem. Okay, that's still working. That's working as well, we know that. This is working here as well. So I would say that we don't need to do anything with... Where did you go to? Oh, there you are. Okay. Welcome, Dennis. Nice answer. All right, so, but these styles, this media query is working properly, I think. There's no problem with that. Let's test it out like this as well. Like, does it work when we're in big screen mode? All right, yeah, that works. In that case, we can close the styles page. Style contact. Do we have any media queries here? Do we need any media queries here? Yes. We need something. So this container, well, no, it can, hold on. It's not flex direction. Hold on. Align items center, justify content center. Is it maybe this? Oh, that's it, right? That's probably it. Nope, it isn't. So we have this container, okay. Hello, Inyaka. Welcome to the chat. Yes. But why isn't it? Like we did this last week. No. We didn't change anything in the container. Let's get back here. Hold on. So, as you see, Although, hold on. What's this? Let me just quickly grab my to-do so I don't lose this. There it is. Hold on. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Let's see. Where does this go? This goes to the bottom. So this container is for all of it. I'm going to do this. It's because of these little things here. I'm just going to commit, like, but let's do it like this. Let's still do a safe commit, okay? Yeah, until here. All right, let's go. Ooh, slow down. No, 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 no. Go back, copy it. Yes. Save it. All right, let's go. Let's go. In fact, this one needs to go as well. I'm just gonna I'm going to put this here, ladies and gentlemen. You're not going to see it. I'm sorry for that, but I have a feeling that if we do this, take this away. All right. So now, yeah, we don't want that. Let's remove these closing tags because we want it to continue, right? Right, div, close, open, close, and then this one should be that one. And then once we delete these three, it should all be ready to go. There you go. It's going to work. Hey, Div, say you welcome. Okay, but the logo is not looking nice. Why? Probably because this. Mm. Mm. Hold on. It opens, it closes, it opens, it closes, it opens, it closes, it closes, closes. So hold on. Let's see if this is broken. Here. La, 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 la. There it is. So it does work as is. Do I have like something that's called logo in here? And what am I opening? Hold on, how do we do this? No. Anyone can help me out right now? Hold on. How to reference title from HTML into CSS. Hey, Oldridge, welcome. You want to drink coffee, but you say it triggers your anxiety, so he says to you, then don't drink coffee. Let's be honest, it is true though. It causes anxiety. All right, I have a question for you guys. But there's only this one. I think that's the reason why. Yeah, see, that's the reason. Fixed it! Never mind! Thank you! Display flex and justify. In fact, let's take this away and put it in here. Never mind. Yanchar TV is rating us with a party of 8. 8 warriors joining our cause. None of them knows how to code, but hey, they don't care. They're here to support me. Welcome to the stream, ladies and gentlemen. How was your stream, Khan? Did you shoot enough tanks, or are you still useless on the battlefield? Yes, you're right. Nerder Tools is one of the most useful codes in the world. Solo Phantasma Mimit, welcome. Ravalgan, welcome. Everyone else that is there and not chatting, welcome as well. Welcome to the stream. Oh, yes. Yeah, although I do have to say, Alijan, cold brew is a lot better than normal warm coffee, because you're cold extracting, which leaves all the bitters out, which, hey, I don't know if it has anything to do with your anxiety, but thank you, Khan. But the contact form, we just need to, make it look a bit better, I would say, because this is... Can one of you lovely CSS pros help me out with this? Okay. Have a nice rest. Hey, Aldrich, you're good with CSS, I think. Or at least better than I am. Well, that's the question, but please feel free to answer. So what I'm trying to achieve, hopefully, will be able to achieve, this container, I wanted to... Yes, but now also... Oh, hold on. But that brings me to an idea, though. You think this will work? Oh, sorry. Oh! Pressing Shift S again. Nope, that didn't work. Well, Lavalgon, maybe you need to start learning how to code. It's really fun. Yeah, we did this with the Flex container, so That's not the answer that we're looking for. No, it's not working. Margin 0 auto is working. Margin auto is working, but the size isn't working right now. So I'm thinking, let's just check the rest, you know? So yeah, I want this container to both be centered, but also somehow fill approximately half of the page. So even when I'm like, you know, in a smaller mode, that it's still, now this is approximately 50%, but the size of the container isn't changing, and I need that to change as well. Although, is it changing a little bit? This is going to look crazy, but I'm going to look at something. All right, so for me, this is about 7.7 centimeters. I have a... No, it remains the same. Okay. Yeah, but media query, though, hold on. Yes, media query. But if... Shouldn't it be able to be the width 50% of whatever it is right now, you know? What's the... Okay, hold on. Form styling container look like. You mean, hold on. Let me. Yeah. So this is the container. Yeah, sure. Close it. Thank you for bringing it to the chat, though. We're talking about it as if it's a dog, you know. Thank you for bringing your dog to the chat. It was nice. We love dogs, by the way. Yeah, but that's what we... Hold on. Is the container 50%? Oh, the content isn't 50%. Yo, hold on. No, hold on. The content inside of it isn't 50%. Or at least as big as. How can we do that then? Like... Syphis? Whatever it is, I'm very happy that you followed us. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the chat. Feel free to talk. Feel free to give us ideas for the website. We're open to ideas. So let's just change our music to something else, like all right. Oh, you know what? We're going to do something else. Everyone listens to house. We're going to listen to songs that you can sing in the shower. All right. Write a media for the container. Media. Yeah, I don't. That's not a big problem for me if it's, you know, how it's styled, but media. Let's do the minimum with the one you're doing right now. Let's give it 960, for instance. I don't know. Is it me? Why isn't it picking this up? Oh. Yeah, but it's still not picking up the width. Why aren't you picking up the width? Did I? Let's just take this here. Is it me or is it not, you know? Oh, you're me. Hold on. Yeah. How did we do that again? Yeah. I'm still learning. So something is not working correctly if I can see it correctly. This does not look good. Is it like... No. I'm so happy that you guys can see these mistakes. I want to learn how to see mistakes like you guys do. Working for a man. She says you gotta hold on to what we've got. Doesn't make a difference if you make it or not. Got each other. Yes. Let's see. No, it's not. Oh, you're right about that as well. Is this... So we are. Oh, there it is. It's getting that, yes. But it's getting the container still. We need the contents. See, we do have a container. It's big enough. The problem is the contents are remaining small. Like, where is this getting stuff from? Because I can do this. Other than that, hold on off display. Okay. Yeah, but that's the problem. They don't have anything. If you look at the form itself, like, let's pick out the whole form. Okay? Yeah, this is the whole form. There's nothing in here Yes, but why? How can we... Okay, hold on. So... Is it maybe because of this? Okay, you know what? Let's do something. You know what they say? Fuck this shit. Yes, now we close it. It's not picking that up either. Container div. Oh, you mean this one? The parent div element. So but it's still not, you know. I'm starting to get a feeling that we need to do something like this. Nope. Just check this divs. Is it maybe somewhere in here? Because all of these... Okay, hold on. See the difference? It's growing in size. What's an EM? Put a background color on form. All right. Where are you? That's clever, by the way. I didn't think of that. That maybe isn't the best pick. Still not the best pick. Oh. You can delete the style from form parent div. Okay. So it's this simple. It's this simple. Ay, ay, ay. For God's sake, like, come on, bro. Like, this is yes, but centering it, why does it change the size though? Like, centering, I'd say it should only center, you know? I'm not going to do that here though. They want to play him, and I'm losing control. You're supplying, it's electrifying. It depends on display and the size of the content, probably. Yeah, but like if this, we need to do something about this though, because this doesn't look nice now. Let me just quickly do this. Yes. Yes. It's so nice CSS though. Have to put another containing div call form contained directly after container or apps child divs. But it looks good now. Just need to change this your message part, please. Let's just put this here. Why didn't this work? I wanted to use GitHub Copilot, but it's paid, so no. I'm not ready to invest in that yet, so... Okay. Tell me, Sensei, tell me what it is. Code Whisperer. I'm just clicking on all the links that you've been sending. You could just as well, you know, put something bad in there now. Is there an extension for that? Oh, I need to make an... All right, hold on. Info. All right, now let's go back to what we always do. Like, my accounts are very safe, but very unsafe. I have like only a handful of passwords, but generally I use one of these. But it's a password that is 20, numbers, letters, and special signs long. And it's a mix of all. So I think I'm pretty safe, I'd say. Where are you? I'm in the Netherlands. Arnold. Country, no, Netherlands, not United States. I've read and I agree. I used something similar to Bitwarden. It's nice until you lose, your Bitwarden key or whatever. Mr. Zexter69, welcome back to the chat. Hello. Billing information. I'm not going to give you any cards because... yeah, see, there it goes wrong. How am I going to do that? RAS with ideal. See, the problem is Amazon Web Services is asking for a credit card number. And here in the Netherlands, we don't have credit cards. We have some proprietary system called Ideal. So, no, it really says the credit card number is required, expiration date is required, and the cardholder's name is required. So that's step 3 out of 5. Oh, I don't need you anymore. So try to close it. Okay, let's try. Like, okay, Control P, hold on. Give me everything I need. Oh. Yeah, no, it's because I haven't completed this the logging in, or setting up an account. It's not accepting it because we need to complete all 5 steps. Is there like a possibility where I can, PayPal maybe gives me a credit card number? I don't know. Simply the best. Nah. It's not working. Yeah. Hey, Rolisi, welcome. I'll sit right for you always. If you came, I'll even close my buttons, put my tie up straight. Signing up for Amazon Web Services is not working for me. It's not letting me log in. Yeah. But you know what? For Code Whisperer now. We'll do that some other time. But this gives me more reasons to get a credit card. All right, but that looks good. Now, we can close style context. We can close style CSS to do, oh no, open to do. Because this is useless now. Contact me, JavaScript, we don't need that anymore. Normalize JS, you can stay. Yeah, I don't have a credit card because here in the Netherlands we use a different system. Whenever you get a bank account, you get a debit card, and that debit card uses a special proprietary Dutch system called Ideal. The only foreign website that I can use Ideal is Amazon Germany, for instance, and some other systems. But it seems that Amazon Web Services does not allow you to use Ideal to pay, you know. So Ideal works well, but not in all situations. So that's why I'm slowly starting to think that maybe it's better to get a credit card just for this kind of things. If I want to buy a plane ticket, well, I can do that with Ideal, but put some money on it and spend that, but not more than that. Well, no, it's not a problem. It's also very well because I remember I had credit cards when I was in Turkey, and if you have the limit, you're going to spend it. That's unfortunately the reality. But if you don't have a limit, if it's all debit, then you're not spending it. So these songs are nice. Roy Lisi, by the way, now that you're here, listen up. Now you're probably still mad at me that I didn't stream yesterday. But I'm going to make it up to you. I have a plan. Now, this would also mean that I'm going to play around with my Saturday stream a little bit. I might do the Saturday stream either shorter or every 2 weeks, so bi-weekly. But instead of that, I'm probably going to start a Friday stream. And during this Friday stream, I am thinking of doing a too long didn't read, the weekly tech developments. So it's going to be a stream of about an hour and 15 minutes, where we're going to be looking at the tech developments of the week. So yeah, this is still project. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it like this, but this is what I was thinking of. Let's see what Roy Lisi is going to think of this. Unless Roy Lisi ran away today quickly after seeing me. I know, I want you. All right, so you would never. I'm not so sure about that. I'm joking. So what I want to do now, I don't think I have it here. Hold on. It's probably in style. Why does it do this, Well, I'm planning on changing the Saturday streams, either making them shorter or doing them bi-weekly, so every 2 weeks. But instead of that, I'm going to add a weekly stream on Friday, or maybe if we keep the Saturday stream equally long, then do an hour of whatever I want to do on that moment. So what I'm planning to do is this. Too long didn't read. And to give you an example of what it is, I'm sure some of you maybe are, subscribed to the newsletters. For instance, I get emails like these continuously, and it's very nice. It tells you, it's an 18-minute read, 11-minute read. Like here, for instance, here. We're going to do this. We're going to open this, and then we're going to look at this news. Now, this isn't the news that I'm looking for. Of course, I'm going to filter this properly, but we're going to look at Too Long Didn't Read and see what news is out there for us today. Like, let's see if there's anything else. What is this? Oh, this is the bedrock. Hold on. This isn't the one that we're looking for. These are not the drones that we are looking for. Heard about AutoGPT. What's that? Oh, that's this one. All right. 500 more. Oh, not sure if I want that. Shoot. Yeah, but it's not giving any other. Oh. Oh, wow. Hold on. Open image, new tab. I have to say though, I'm fat now. But in the past, I did hiking. I did a lot of mountaineering and hiking. So I know these brands. And I have to say, what I'm reading for Columbia and Solomon, and I've used Columbia shoes, I've used Solomon shoes, I've used Merrell shoes. Keen I never had, but North Face I also used. I know how these brands are, and this is correct. This part is because of that waterproofing technology. Yeah, but I would have expected though, after the query that was presented to AutoGPT, that it would give also prices and other, that it would do the strengths and weaknesses part. It didn't, but still, I would have expected it to give a more in-depth report. Yes, the pros and cons are there, that's correct, and it for me it's the right stuff. I know whatever was written there is all correct. I like it though. Is gathering information from internet, evaluate them, summarize them, collect them, and merge them continuously, passing prompts to another agent, and also transfers memory to the next agent. Adil Ahmedov, hello, welcome. Welcome to the chat. Adil, you can write Turkish or Azerbaijani. I'm not very good in Azerbaijani, but I think I can understand a lot. So you can feel free to write Turkish or Azerbaijani. I will respond in English though. I kind of like keyword commands over AI for my automatic tools and learning, so I try not to touch language models much. Steps, perhaps. Yeah, but that's the point. When I look at this, although, yeah, the plan is what it does, so yeah, okay. I thought going from this that it would include prices and so on and so forth, but it didn't. But okay, when you look at the plan, it did do whatever the plan was. So I have to say, all right, I like it. Let's put this on the side. We're gonna look at this. Is there a plugin for AutoGPT? Nope. But I'm thinking of I'm thinking of getting Copilot though. Well, all right, but now I want to fix this because this is bad. No, 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 no. No, no, no. There it is. This is a beautiful song. Okay, good. Good. I like what I'm reading now, Victor. I like what I'm reading now, so let's hope it becomes free. Let's go to our best friend. All right. Hey. I didn't think. Microsoft can accept paid services. Hold on. Wait. GitHub is Microsoft? Oh, I never knew that. I didn't know that. Wow. All right. But in that case, what you're saying is true. Microsoft won't keep it paid then in that case. I thought you saw it though, Roy Lisi. This is a problem. See, the scroll snap, it is working. It snaps. But it's, can you see it? Like, I'm just going to move my mouse one frame, just one frame. As you can see, it moves one frame, but I don't want it to move one frame. Even though I move it one frame, yeah, I want it to move fluently, and it's not doing that. Yes. I'm You're right about that, Victor. If they give this service to the users, they will get a lot more data. And in the world we're living in right now, data is money. Data is power. You know, if you have more data, then you have more power. That's as simple as that. So, yeah, data is everything. Right, exactly. Okay. Let me just quickly bring my browser down here. I'm sorry for that, but no, has nothing in the settings that has to do with scrolling. You're not sure why? Maybe because you do a lot of coding and you have a lot of GitHub activity. Maybe that's why. You never know. Let's go to a different song. I just can't handle it. Maybe. Scroll snap points instead of scroll snap align. But what am I doing now? Oh, come on. It didn't do anything for me. What did you do with PayPal then? Oh, this is a lot. Why is this better now? Hold on. Why is that better? Oh, you fixed a line of code. By the way, that's a way of making a living as well. Like, I remember one of our viewers. I'm not going to give names unless people want to give them themselves. but was a bug hunter. I'm calling it bug hunter now, but I might be, oh, here, HackerOne. He was working with this. Now, I don't know how good this pays, but I assume this pays well. Because if you're hunting bugs and, like for instance, contacted by a hacker. But yeah, so well, really see next time you send it to HackerOne. Well, hey, but for people like you and me, or let's put it like this, you can become a freelance coder, all right? You can become a freelance coder. You can try to find jobs, freelance jobs to, for instance, develop a website, build a website, or something like that. To do this, once you are your own employer and your own employee, there's a lot of things that you need to think of. You need to do your own marketing. You need to do your own finances. You need to do your own sales management, because in the end, you're selling a service. So there's a lot of things that you need to think about. Most of the time, freelance web developers, and I tried to read myself into this topic because, as a new starting person, you're thinking of what are the options? What can you do? Like, that is one of the things that in my past, I made a big mistake and I'm not ready to make that mistake again. So that's why I'm doing my research now. So I'm looking at these freelance things, and it's just a lot of work to do. You're going to spend 50% of your time trying to get a job, trying to find a job, trying to find a contract. So you're spending only 50% of the time coding. Whereas if you are signed up with HackerOne or something like that, the only thing you're going to do is like try to find bugs, try to do pen tests, etc. The only thing you do is that. The jobs are all there. All the marketing and the sales part are all in their hands. You're just picking out of a list, or maybe not even picking out of a list. Maybe you're just like, you know what? What pays good? Facebook would pay good, Twitter would pay good, Amazon would pay good, whatever, whatnot. And then you're just going to pick one and start to do your best to find a bug. Then the only thing you do is inform them. Yes, of course, for one bug you're going to get €1,000, but that's the marketing part. You need to find the right guys that will pay the right amount. Like, I can tell you one thing. Companies that have really big IP problems, like intellectual property problems, they will have a security team that is like the best. You probably won't find any bugs in their systems, but there's many companies that don't have problems with IPs. But now the new thing, and this would be something that you could exploit. Now the biggest thing that is being talked about is user data, GDPR and so on and so forth. People made mistakes up until now, and now they're trying to fix that as fast as possible. And that is where the mistakes come, because they're doing it fast as possible, sometimes even a bit too fast without double checking stuff. And that's where you'll find the bugs. And that is also one of the big things that is important, because GDPR, user data, if they are caught with a leak, they're screwed. Well, yeah, but when you make big bank, and that's the biggest problem, people don't understand that they need to invest their money. If you get 50K after a 2-day job, like what are you going to do with that 50K? I know many people who will go out and buy a Porsche, albeit a second hand, but they will go out and buy a Porsche because they have 50K. That's a big amount of cash. But at the end of the year, when they need to pay tax, or when they don't find a job, like 50K, if you think about it, 50K, 50, 60K is a junior web developer position somewhere in a company. And that's for a year. So if you can make that in 2 days, then it's your responsibility to also put that money to the side so you have a good stash. You need to set goals for yourself. You need to say, like, okay, what if I don't find a job for the next 2 years? Let's say 2 years. What money's going to go out? 50K per year, 100K. So you need to always try to make that 100K, put that to the side. And once you are above that 100K, then you can start to think of, spending money on nice stuff. But you need to wait until you have that 100K, and anything above that, that is free to spend. If you start depleting that 100K, the moment you start making bank again, you need to fill that up. That's your responsibility. So there's good money in this business, but if you throw around with your money, then you will get stuck without eating for a while. That being said, I don't want to be a pen tester. Exactly. All right, but everyone in the chat, listen up, everyone, wake up. I want every one of you, and there's 13 people that are viewing me right now. 13 people that are viewing. I want you all to come up with ideas. What do you want me to code into this website? I am 100% sure that you guys have ideas. Most of you people are web devs. Most of you people saw stuff. I want you all to give me ideas. What are we going to do? Wakey, wakey. GDPR is for personal data. It's not for ideas. How do you want me to respond to that, Lucy? All right, you're right. All right, really easy. How much do you want per idea? I'm listening. Depends what section you want to fill. Well, we're not filling sections though. Like I want ideas to do stuff. Like we did a homepage with cascaded sections and the scroll snap. We did the about me part, which I'm very thankful, by the way, because you and Arduku helped me out with this. This looks, if I have to pick anything from this website, like I'm going to be very honest about this. In fact, if I have to pick two things from this website that I'm most happy about, one is these subsections, and I'm very thankful for you guys. Two is dark mode. Tolstoy Dev, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the stream. Thank you for the follow. Hey, Onur, welcome. All right, hold on. A game on 404 page. You're talking about the dinosaur. Hey, Tolstoy. Welcome. What's up? Well, nothing's up. Everything's down. No, I'm joking. We're building a website. I'm learning how to code line by line, and we're doing that using this website. So welcome to the channel. If you're new to coding, welcome. Let's do this together. If you're not new to coding, if you are a hero coder, well, please share your knowledge, Sensei. I'm listening. Thank you, Onur. Thank you. I'm fine. As you can see, we're busy again. 404 is a not found page if they mistake the URL segments. All right. Oh, yeah, hold on. The dinosaur isn't the 404. Although, was it the 404? Oh, that was the no internet dinosaur. Yeah. It's the no internet dino. Okay, but what can we, for instance, make for a game then? Because you're talking about a game. I wonder, hold on. Minesweeper source code. Why not? Come on. This would be a nice 404 webpage thing. I can't find that button. Where's the that's easy button? Hold on. Oh, there it is. Well, if you build simple websites, that's good though. Let's be honest, because I'm also building a simple website, but I'm still building. So yeah, it depends on how simple are your websites. Are they like extremely simple, or are you a bit more advanced? Like, can you make something that you'd say, yeah, I'd probably put this on the website without hesitation. Either way, I've been learning since December, so I think you're more of a hero than I am, but I'm not sure. Huh? Are you talking about the thing that Tolstoy Dev did? I love dolphins. Run, bitch! Run! But yeah, I'd say exactly, link the card to, well, the whole card to the site as well. Either picture or the whole card. Oh. When you're in the expanded one. All right. Okay. A guy knows how to play. But yeah, I think this is more advanced than what I do. So you're a hero for me. Yeah, but it's the same that I've been looking at now. But like all of the videos at the same time, right, Roy Lisi? That would be epic, I'd say. I don't know what I'm looking for, so I was trying to check if there's any way to activate, you know. Oh, you can like save it as well. Wow. You're dying while writing CSS. I've died and I've woken up again and I'm still dying again. But Releasey, yeah, so how can you like redirect wrong links? Let's look at that. Redirect to a page when link is invalid. Okay, so I don't get it, to be honest. Well, but then it's, how are we going to... Okay, hold on, but how are we... Okay, let's not redirect. Let's just... But that would be a redirect either way, wouldn't it? Like if, for instance, someone does this. I'm just going to say something. Slash, like, instead of home, writing something like that. Yeah, but we're not working with servers right now anyway. So we do have the website server. So if and when we would go online, we would be able to do something with a server. But I don't know what we can do now with live server. Or is there something that we can do on this topic that we can do with live server as well? Like make the 404, so okay, so we can create the 404, the HTML then, and then all right, let's do that. Save as. All right, let's do that. That's exactly what you're seeing me do. I don't know why it put 0 in this case. Like, but okay. No, don't want to rotate it. We're not going to do that. Color. Okay. Yeah, this isn't. What was it? Font size. Sorry. XX large. That's how it works. I'm just doing stuff. Games for 404 page. Okay. Huh. Oh wow, I like this. I love this. I don't like it, I love it. Huh. Okay.
No, it's 404 page, right? I mean, you lost. No, totally. I'm not pointing fingers. I mean, there might have been use the search. Yeah, you can find your way out of here. Cool. Yeah, so I mean, this is it. I mean, there's not really.
It's a nice,
See.
awkward video, though. This is like
Totally
clever.
Hang out as long as you want and everything, and I don't care. But
I have a feeling this is going to go on and on and on.
yeah, just forgot my phone, so not really hanging out or anything. Probably just gonna take off. Yep. I don't really know what else to tell you. I mean,
That's a good idea.
just what it is. So guess I'm just gonna split.
Let's talk about that, Releasey. I have some
it's
ideas.
Totally cool. I mean, if you wanna, whatever, just hang out as long as you want. But whatever. Yeah. So yeah. So there's a lot of cool stuff. I don't know their pages and
It's,
check it out, you know,
it's so
like,
beautiful how awkward it is.
search.
It's like-
or, click around.
Other pages, you know, like...
A lot of other. Go check it out. Get some art and I don't know, videos. Make a lot of art. I'm an artist, you know. Sounded pretentious, but it's the truth. I mean, not that it was pretentious. I mean, I am an artist. That's why I put on my taxes. I have degrees. I'm like a professor of art. Anyway, yeah. So art. There's art. There's like news and updates. There's I don't know. You sign up on the mailing list. There's a mailing list. Tell you when stuff's going on. There's links.
I'm going to stick around.
I mean, it's like,
And if that means this is the end of
you
the
really gotta
stream,
get out of this room, you know?
well, then it's the end of the stream.
This 404 page is kind of like nothing. It's just like, it's just like, hey, 404 page, like you're just supposed to just cruise right through, you know? Yeah, you don't have to hang out here at all. Like, don't feel like you gotta read everything or like watch, look at. I mean, it's a 404 page. It's like, it's just not. It's whatever, you know. So anyway, yeah. So whatever you can do. Like, I'm not telling you what to do, you know. It's whatever you want. Yeah. Totally. Yeah. There's a link up. There's a link up at the top. If you hit that, it goes right back to the homepage. It's like tons of stuff on there. Like all kinds of new stuff. I don't know, man. So I guess. Said I'm just I got it's cool. It's nice. It's been it's like really nice, like to whatever, you know, like nice to talk, see you, visit steve.com. But I'm gonna head out. So
There it goes. That's the ending. Although I would have walked away and came back. Yeah, I forgot my phone again.
Seriously, man. Search and you can find whatever and do it.
I'm gonna put this in my checkbox because this is a beautiful website. Yeah, we're gonna keep you there. Okay. Yeah, we're not gonna do this. This is... Ooh. Do have to say, I had a lot of Technic Lego in the past. I do love it. All right, let's see. Now, this is a clever one, and the video is a clever one as well. But the video, I have a different idea. That I really like that idea. Yeah, it would have been fun if he like went away, came back, and to grab his phone, like I forgot again, then walk away again. But so, all right, hold on. Top 404 games that your users want to play. All right, let's see. Why aren't these pictures showing? Is this website like dead? Hello? But come on, like, can we put Candy Crush there? That would be that would be a problem, I would say. I don't think they would be happy if we use this. Would they? Yeah, all right. But that's an idea as well. No, I'm not talking about the heaviness. I'm more talking about the fact that, well, this is a clone, so you could be able to use this. But Candy Crush in general, the Candy Crush itself, it would be like a violation of their intellectual property. So, yeah, that's C. You're right about that. Although, this one as well? Yes, it is. Goodbye. All right, what's this? I was expecting a game. Fuck you. Come on. Well, Fornasetti. All right. Hold on. Can we? Is there a way? No, there's not. This is like... It's nice though. It's just the sound. Check this effect I made. Super Kitty now. Okay. Ooh. Nah. Okay. You could make the error 404 like that, or you could do this. Well, let's see what if this like. You know what I want to know though? Can you like get the JavaScript out of the inspect element? You know. Okay. Oh, my butt. Thank you, Roy Lisi. This is exactly what I was looking for. See, I understand this. So try opening the script. Oh, it shows that as well. Hold on. Come on, let's do that. Okay. So this is nice. If you can steal all of it. Exactly. And I'm not talking about borrowing. I'm talking about stealing it. I'm going to keep this on the side as well. In fact, why did I even close yours? Because I want to keep that on the side as well. Dude, you made that when you were 9? All right. Inspect. Inspect. Let's see what this is. Let's see the top. Inspect. Hello. Why is it like that? Hold on. What's it sources? Mouse thing. You are very good with age 9. This is good. Oh, Pac-Man. I love the sheep. This was good though. Hold on. Let's tell me where it is. Then do you need to run it or something like that? Yeah, but I found it. I already changed it here. I made error 404 out of it. Control S. It's not doing it. Or I didn't change the right one. Let me just check this again. All right. Error 404 not found. Echelon. Not Echelon. What's Echelon? Echelon. Can you explain that in layman terms? Because honestly, I don't understand coding languages that good, to be honest. Run? Huh? Type run txt title update. It should be written together. Update. Oh. Txt title update. Undefined. I don't think this is. Yeah, but that won't work because then I'm just telling it what to do. Maybe this. Ah, there it is. It's doing something, but it's also showing the kitty. But problem is if the 404 page includes other resources on the server, it's possible for them to be 404 too. I understand what you're trying to say. So if I'm building the 404 and whatever I'm building the 404 out of, if that's not available on the server, then for instance, this part won't be there. It won't work. It will be not found as well. But what Curvatura Major. Welcome to the chat. Welcome to the channel. Welcome. Have fun. I understand what you're saying. So instead of making separate JavaScript CSS files, like just plugging the scripts and the CSS into the Error 404 page, and then running it off of that one HTML. Victor, take care. See you around. Goodbye. Thank you. We're slowly going to end it though, because wow, 3 hours. We need to slowly end it. Change the location as well. Am I blind? Title update. Okay, x-axis. I want to go down and keep that the same. Then console, texty title. Nope. One more. Let's add more. Balls! Oh, no. Yeah, you're right. But the x-axis didn't work anyway, so 170. So what do we want to make? Let's make minus 170 out of it. It's not working. Do we have to save it as well? Like, is that really necessary? Control S. Okay. Then we want it to go 570. Try it again. You're right. You're right, as always. As always, right again. All right, but all joking aside, so we're gonna move. What's this? Ooh. This is something similar to what you did. They stole your idea. Oh, but this is also three-dimensional. Oh. Ooh. Turn, 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 bitch. Turn. Sheesh. Blow them up. All right. Goodbye. 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 You as well, goodbye. And you as well, goodbye. So, I am thinking, however, are you leaving echelon? I need to. It's a problem if you speak like 4 languages, almost I would say day in day out. Yeah, I actively speak 4 languages every day. So I tend to make mistakes. I'm sorry if I ever say your name wrong again. I want to say sorry up front. Well, we're going to teach each other, Roy Lisi. You're teaching me how to language, this language, and I'll teach you other languages. Spin locks in JS for a project last year. Kind of a nasty solution. I don't know what a spin lock is. I'm going to put this here. I'm not going to look at it now because I need to slowly start thinking of logging out. But quickly, before I go, I'm planning on implementing this Minesweeper. I think this would be a nice, addition to the page, and it gives people, something to play around. Don't spin lock. Okay. But can I research spin lock, Roy Lisi? Is that allowed? Open with GitHub Desktop. Open GitHub Desktop. Clone. Oh no, I needed to do it somewhere else. Shit. Minesweeper. Remove. Yes, remove. Goodbye. Again. Open with GitHub Desktop. Choose. Yes. I think the file was correct anyway, but where is that little bastard? There it is. GitHub. see? They place their own source code on there. But, okay, so I only want this part. I hope that is possible somehow. All right, I'm just going to keep this here, and we'll talk about that during the next stream. Let's just save our pages, index 404, goodbye, close it, bye-bye. And then I can close this, although, hold on, before I close it, let's just give it a star. And then close it, 404. Then you can stay there, although I'm going to put you into check as well because you're a nice game. I'm going to put Royalissi's game into my check because that's also a nice game. Close this web page. Rest can stay around. Okay, good. All right. Yes. Oh, I'm sorry about that, but it's been 3 hours now, 3 hours and 24 minutes, and the baby is, I think, sleeping. I'm not sure, but I have to go to work tomorrow morning very early on because I'm still in the onboarding process. Well, the onboarding is done, but now I'm shadowing all the teams and learning what they do and trying to also find weaknesses that I can then report back. You come back early next time, yes. I'm going to wait for you the next time. But, ladies and gentlemen, let's first off, she's already here. I don't need to say, I think, but please do follow Not Depressed Developer. She's a very nice streamer. She's also doing stuff like yesterday she had a poll, what should we do? What should we do? CSS, JavaScript, and of course I won, so she did JavaScript. So she taught us how to do JS on stream. So please, 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 please go ahead and give her a big follow and a big hello from me when she's streaming. Now, that being said, as per always, I have to do this. You know Umut now. Umut is ex-Twitch staff, but that doesn't keep him away from sharing his Twitch knowledge with us. Umut and his campus, let's also put that here. We're creating, and I'm very happy to be. Yes, exactly. Exactly. Most of the shout-outed people are practically Turkish. They're Turkish. It's not even practically. They are Turkish. But quickly about the campus. It's a community which I'm very happy of being a part of. Coders from zero to hero. Everyone from all languages there to support each other. If you have a question, if you have a problem, please go and look at that Discord. It's in the link there. So go to that Discord, be part of the community, get help, but also help. It's a very great group of people with a lot of streamers as well. So that's why Not Depressed Developer, for instance, is a campus streamer. Core Functions Initiated, I don't know if he's still here, but I think he already ran away. Core Functions Initiated is a campus streamer. And there's many more around that are campus streamers. So please go and see them. I see that now heading towards the end, people are dropping out. So please don't drop out. We're going to raid someone. Oy. In fact, we're going to raid Beren. Beren is doing Golang today. Beren is a 20-year-old full-stack developer, mostly front-end focused. He lives in the UK and works as a product developer. So let's raid him today and see. Oh, there he is. There is core functions initiated. No, Yapaizeka is already gone. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please stick around. Say hi from me. And again, next week, Saturday, if everything goes right, I'm looking at Roy Lisi now. If everything goes right, next week, Saturday, we have a stream again. Watch Me Do It stream, 7 p.m. Central European Time. Sunday, again, as today, 7 p.m. Central European Time, we have the Learning How to Code line by line stream. Stick around, and soon we're going to add the third stream, a Friday stream, or we're going to add it into the Saturday stream. We're going to see where we're going to do the tech developments of the week. So too long, didn't read, TLDR. In fact, I'll post the link to TLDR if you want to get notifications on the newest tech news. You can get it from there. Sign up for the newsletter. We're going to use them as our platform to learn what the news is. Thank you for being here. Not Depressed Developers, CFI, Roy Lisi, Arduku. I'm trying to go off of my head who's here. Followers, Curvature Major, Tolstoy Dev, Sifis. I'll see you all next week. Take care. Goodbye. Say hi to Beren. Bye-bye.